Good morning, all of you. Myself, I am Brian Kumar from Varanga. Today we will discussing the topic is law of conservation of energy. Okay. Law of conservation of energy. Okay. What is mean by energy? Capacity to do work is called as energy. Capacity to do work is called as energy. Okay. Here the law of conservation of energy. What is mean by law of conservation of energy? Energy neither created nor destroyed. It can be transferring from one form to another form. Potential energy to kinetic energy or kinetic to potential energy. Both are in the energy will transferring, but it can be neither created or not destroyed. It's called as the law of conservation of energy. Here the two cases are there. First one is the freely falling body. Second one is the a body is vertically thrown in or vertically upward. First case we will discuss in the case 1. Freely falling body. Okay. Object is there, one body is there, one body is mass m. This is one body is there, body mass is m. In this the body is from ground to height is capital H. This is a ground state. Ground to object height is small h. Okay. In this the body is freely falling to ground surface. Why? It has some due to gravity, gravitational force acted on this body. Means in this the body will be freely falls to ground surface. Means the energy will transferring from kinetic energy to potential energy. Kinetic energy is decreasing. Potential energy is decreasing. Height is decreasing means the potential energy is decreasing. And velocity of the object is increasing. Velocity increases and also kinetic energy also increases. Okay. Here the different points I will take in the we will find out the total energies. For example, in this this is the ball is there. In this the ball is particular height is there. From ground to particular height is capital small h. Okay. In this the body is freely falling to ground surface. Freely falling to ground surface. It has due to gravitational force acted on this the body. Here the potential energy, height is decreasing, potential energy also decreasing, velocity is increasing, kinetic energy also increases. Okay. Different points I will take in the. Okay. Here I will take in the. In this the point will be A point, middle point, B point, C point. In this the 3 points will find out the total energies. Either changes or constant. Okay, I don't know. First case, at the A point, we will find out the total energies. Okay. At the A point means the height is h. Okay. First of all, we will discuss the kinetic energy potential. What is meant by potential energy? The energy possessed by object due to particular height. The energy possessed by object due to particular height is called as the potential energy. What is meant by kinetic energy? Kinetic energy means the energy possessed by an object due to motion. Due to motion is called as the kinetic energy. Okay, here I will take in the potential energy. Body height is h. What is mean by potential energy formula? mg h. Mass and gravity. This is the mass is there and gravitational force acted on the downward is at particular height also. Means the potential energy is mgh at A point. What is meant by kinetic energy? Kinetic energy, initial velocity of the object is equals to 0. Initial is rest position is there. For example, in this the bar, this is the rest position. Rest position means the velocity is 0. kinetic energy also 0. Apply the formula half m v square, half into m into v, 0 equals to 0. Okay, you will find out the total energy. Total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy is 0 plus potential energy mgh. Total energy is mgh at a point. In this the point, we will find out the next b point. Here the object is due to a to b point. Displacement, for example, I will take in the x. The object is moving from a to b. Displacement I will take in the, let us assume, x distance. Remaining b to c is h minus x. Total a to c is small h and a to b is small x. B to c is h minus x. Second case is at b point. We will find out the total energies. Okay, first we will discuss the potential energy. Height. Ground to height is how much the b? B is h minus x. Height is height of the b point is equals to h minus x. In this the point we will find out the object in total energies, kinetic energy and potential energy. Height is h minus x. What is mean by potential energy formula? Mg h. Here the h is height is the height means the h means the height is the h minus x means h minus x. This is formula. Here the h means the small h means the height of the object. Here the height is h minus x. That's why taking the h minus x. Mg, here splitting mg h minus mg x. Okay, this is the potential energy. We will find out the kinetic energy also. Kinetic energy formula, tell me. Half m v square. Here the velocities are different. Initial velocity is 0, final velocity changes are there, and also acceleration changes and also displacement also changes. Initial velocity indicates u. Initial velocity is rest position. Final velocity, some v is there. Final velocity denoted by v is equals to v, and s. How much the distance travel from a to b? A to b is small x. How much the distance traveling from initial position to in this position? Small x. S means the displacement travel. X. Next, acceleration. Acceleration means a is equals to g. Gravity means the a is equals to plus g. Velocity of the object is downward. Gravitational force acted on the downward. Both are in the same direction. Velocity is downward. Gravitational force on downward. Both are in the same velocity. That's why taking the acceleration a is equals to plus g. Uniform acceleration, we will take the third equation. Uniform acceleration equation. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. Initial final velocity v square. Initial velocity is 0. Is equals to 2, a is equals to g, and s is equals to x. V square is equals to 2gx. V square is there. Substitute in this kinetic thing. Same, substitute in this kinetic energy formula half m v square. Here the v square is equals to 2gx. V square means the 2gx. 2 are get cancelling. mgx. We'll find out the total energy. Total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy is mgx and potential energy this one mgh minus mgx. Here plus mgx and x cancel. Remainder is mgh. At B point, at A point also total energy is mgh and B point also total energy is mgh. We will find out the third C point. Case is at C point. We will find out the total energy. This is the point. Okay, here the height is 0. There is no height, only ground surface. The object is the ground surface, only ground surface is height is 0. H is equals to 0. You will find out the potential energy. First of all, write down the formula mg. H is equals to 0. Substitute this, total will be 0. Potential energy. We will find out the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, write down the formula of m v square. Of m v square. Here the velocity changes. Okay. Initial velocity is 0. Final velocity is v. And also s means the how much distance travel from initial to final, means the h. Initial is a, final is c. H distance travel. S is equals to h. And acceleration is equals to plus g. Same symbol. You will find out the uniform acceleration. Third equation. V square minus v square is equals to 2as. V square. V square means the v square. Initial velocity is 0. Equals to 2. A is equals to g. And s is equals to displacement. How much the distance travel? H. Okay. Here the v square is equals to 2g h. Substitute this formula kinetic energy. Half m v square means the half m v square means the 2g h. 2g h. 2 are get cancelling. How much is mg h? Total energy. Total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Means the kinetic energy is mg h. And potential energy is 0. How much the total energy? mgh. At C point also mgh. At B point also mgh. At A point also mgh. Both in this the three different points, energy will be same. The energy is transferring from one point to another point. Kinetic to potential. Potential energy to kinetic energy. But total energy is constant. That is meant by law of conservation of energy. Means the constant energy. You will take any point, the energy will be constant at different points. The energy is transferring from potential energy to kinetic energy, kinetic to potential energy. But in the total energy is constant. That is meant by conservation of energy. Okay, this is your freely falling body. Next, see the vertical upward body. Second case is body vertically, body projected vertically upward. A body is projected vertically upward motion. For example, this is the ground surface is there. And this is the ground surface. His body is projected vertically upward. And this is the body. Object of the mass is m, projected vertically upward. Here also same similar. For example, this is the ball is there. In this the ball, I will take in the let us assume this is the ground surface. A body is projected vertically upward is there. Vertically upward. You will find out the total energies in different point. Here is the A point. Here is the B point. This is the C point. Here is final velocity, maximum velocity. Here is the initial velocity. Here is the maximum final velocity. How much distance traveled is small h. Initial velocity is final means the maximum velocity is 0. Here the distance traveling from A to B is, let us assume I will take in the small x. Here is the B to C is total is small h. Here is the small x, h minus x, B to C. We will find out the different points will be total energy we will find. Okay. Here the energy is transferring from one point to another point. Kinetic energy to potential energy also. First case is the at A point. At A point, we will find out the total energy. First of all, we will be discussing the kinetic energy and potential energy. Potential energy. Write down the formula. First one. mg, h is formula. Here is ground. There is no height. Means the h is equals to 0. Total is mg into 0 is equals to potential energy is 0. Next, kinetic energy. Formula is half m v square. Initial velocity is u. Substituting is the velocity is u. Substituting is the means the kinetic energy is half m u square. Well, to find the total energy. Total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy is half m u square plus potential energy is 0. So find total energy is half m u square. At A point, total energy is half m u square. You will find out the next B point. At B point. Here also same thing. You will find out the potential energy. Write down the formula first one mg h. How much the distance is height is there? From ground to B point. Small x. H is how much distance from ground to B point? X. From substituting this potential energy is equals to mg x. We will find out the next kinetic energy also. Half m v square formula. We will find out the two velocities are there. Initial velocity is u and final initial velocity is there and final velocity. In this point some velocity is there. V also v and s means the how much distance travel here point to here point x and a is equals to here velocity is upward. Velocity upward, gravitational force acting on downward. Both are in the opposite direction. Acceleration you will take in the negative of g. A is equals to minus g. Substituting this the uniform acceleration third equation. V square minus u square is equals to 2a is formula. Substitute all those components. V square as u square and 2. A is equals to minus g and s is equals to x. V square is equals to u square minus 2g x. Substitute v square is substituting is the kinetic energy. This is what. Okay, I will run. At A point is half m u square. V square is equals to u square minus 2gx. Substituting is the kinetic energy formula. Half m v square. Half m v square means the u square minus 2gx. Splitting half m u square minus half m into 2gx. Total get cancelling. Remainder is half m u square minus mg x. Total energy we will find out the total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy how much the value? Half m u square minus mgx. Potential energy is this one mgx. Write down total components. Half m u square minus mgx is the kinetic energy. Next potential energy is mgx. Mgx total energy is equals to half m u square. At B point total energy is half m u square. At A point also same similar, half m u square. A point, B point same energies. Next you will find out the third C point also total energy find out. Third case is at C point. At C point. C point means the maximum velocity. Maximum velocity means the velocity zero. In this the point velocity is increasing, decreasing. Upward is velocity is decreasing, downward is increasing. But in this the point maximum peak point means the velocity is zero. They could not changing, increasing or decreasing. That point is zero. Velocity is zero. Okay. Velocity is zero. Means the kinetic energy for half m v square. Here the formula. Substituting this velocity zero means the kinetic energy is half m into zero. Total energy is zero. Kinetic energy is zero. Next we will find out the potential energy. Means the mgh. mgh. Here the initial velocity is u and final velocity is zero. And s is equals to how much the distance traveled? h. Small h. And acceleration is minus g. Minus g. You will find out the uniform acceleration equation v square minus v square minus v square is equals to 2a s. And v square means the velocity is 0. Minus u square is equals to 2 minus g. And h means the h. Minus minus get cancelling. Remainder u square is equals to 2g h. H is equals to u square by 2g. H is equals to u square by 2g. You will find out the potential energy. Potential energy means the mgh is equals to m into g into h is equals to u square by 2g. G here get cancelled. Remainder is half m u square. Remainder is potential energy half m u square. Substituting this the total energies, kinetic energy and potential energy. Potential energy is m half m u square and kinetic energy is 0. Total energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy 0 plus potential energy is half m u square. Total energy at C point is half m u square. At A point half m u square. At B point half m u square. At C point also half m u square. Total energies are constant. They could not change. The energy is transferring from one form to another form. Kinetic energy to potential energy. Potential energy to kinetic energy. Remainder total energy is constant. They could not change. Constant means the conservation. Conservation means constant energy. Either energy transferring from one form to another form. This is your body is projected vertically upward is there. Okay. Thank you.